In this video I'll show you a set of carabiners. These are carabiner clips. They're from Lidl, Parkside, but where they are from doesn't really matter. What matters is the specifications, and there is a missing one here. And most important for these ones, the limit is 50 kilos, but it doesn't mean that you should put 50 kilos on it. If the limit is 50 kilos, I would put less than half, maybe a 1/3 or even a quarter of the weight. So 10 kilos, 20 kilos, that's what I would use for. These are made for chain links to easily connect them and disconnect them. But you can use them for many things, including attaching them to your handbags, backpacks, and for various ways, even your keychain. You can use this as your keychain, so you can easily put key on this. You don't put the key directly, but you put it on a ring, and then you can easily attach rings and detached rings from it. Here on a backpack, I put it on this handle, just easily goes in. And now you can attach it whenever you want to anything, a tree branch or anything. I mean, it has the loop there, but some things are you can't attach something because it's a continuous line. For example, the normal one wouldn't go, but this with the opening, it goes easily. So yeah, that's a really useful trick. Other than keys, you can use them for many things. I'm actually curious what you use them for, other than the purpose for this. It's for chains, maybe in the car, some tools, keep some tools on them. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you use these for. Carabiner sets, most useful they are for keys and backpacks for me, but I'm curious what you use them for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about this channel.